you get smell of some business. But I am not a businessman. I joined this institute in 2010 as a teacher to teach nanotechnology, and research was our just passion. So we used to spend some time. Actually, institute asked us to do something, so we are doing. But when time started to move, everything changed. The concept of research, definition of research, definition of publication, everything is changing every day. So today we are going to discuss about this startup ecosystem, how Indian government is supporting, or what are the moves government is taking to support those who are interested in research, or what you say, those who are taking research as their profession. So that we are going to discuss, and if you see that, first we are coming to that point, what is startup? So actually this term, if you see that, it's a company you need to form, or like a firm you can form, and which will be the early stages of its operation, and founded by one or more entrepreneur, and who want to develop it by who want to develop some product, or who wants to provide some services. They can be called as startup. I mean, they can go for startup. So that is how. It is like a business. So the idea is like what you say. There are a lot of qualities. If you see that what startup company needs, what we need to consider something as a startup. So if you see that innovation is there, they should have some problem solving approach. Fast growing, they want to grow fast. Scalable, flexible. Higher risk will be definitely, because we want to grow very fast, so definitely there will be a lot of risk. And strong company culture should be there. Young in age, it is not like that I am 100, I mean maybe I am 60 years old, I want to start something new. Actually government will not encourage. And smaller team, it's not a very big company, smaller team should be there. Tech oriented, they should have some knowledge on the modern system, modern techniques. So that is how, these are the qualities we need. So when you are analyzing all these, and they look for capital from a variety of sources. So these are basically the definition of startup. You can analyze from any point of view. So startup in India or in the world runs in that way. So now some people also try to differentiate between startup and entrepreneur, because say I am running my father's business. So people say that I am just entrepreneur, so I am not looking for any job. So those who are not looking for job, they are called here that entrepreneur, because I have my own company. But if you see the startup actually what you say is just young. What you say, if you see that some people are coming to that field after doing research on the marketplace, they know what customer wants, and customers' inquiries they can solve, and initial capital they need to generate also. So now, if you see that those days, like those who are getting government job, if you see that IITs or any central universities, those professors used to come age 16, and that time onwards, what you say, one revolution started in India. Because those young generations, those who are looking for job, now they are looking for what is running their own business. Because say I am a junior, if I want to start business, I will have lot of what is I need to think lot of things like what you say, investment, whether my product will run or not. But here in this concept, if you see that government is telling whatever it is, we will provide you the support. Wherever you need support, government is there. So that is how this the Startup India initiative has implemented. You can see that Mr. Modi and the trainers